Brahma scolds Indra. Vayu was calmed down by Brahma with much difficulty. But Brahma was enraged when he learned what had happened to Anjanae. He asked Indra to appear before him instantly. Indra had no clue why Brahma was summoning him. So he came to Patal immediately. When Vayu saw Indra before him, he flew into a rage. You are nothing but a weakling. How can you use your Vajra to attack an innocent child? You killed my son Indra. Vayu lamented. Is he your child? Do you know that he was going to gobble up the sun? Indra asked Vayu. Both Brahma and Vayu snarled at Indra. Brahma said, Don't act like a coward. This is simply not the way to behave with a child. Whenever you are afraid, you just throw your weapon at people. Indra was ashamed. Brahma then ordered him to apologize to Vayu. Anjanae comes back to life. Indra hesitatingly approached Vayu and mumbled an apology. But Vayu was in no mood to listen and just snubbed Indra. He turned to Brahma and said, "O Lord, Indra's apology is not going to bring back my son to life. Please do something to revive Anjanae." Brahma agreed. "Don't worry, Vayu. I will bring your child back to life," he said. Then he took some mystical water from Kamandalam water pot and sprinkled it on Anjanae. He recited a small prayer and touched Anjanae on his chin. Suddenly, Anjanae woke up as if from a deep sleep. He blinked his eyes and looked up at the three gods curiously. Vayu was pleased to see his son alive. Suddenly, he noticed a deep injury mark on Anjanae's chin. The mark of the thunderbolt cannot be rectified. It will remain there forever, Vayu, Brahma said. Anjanae named Hanuman. Brahma smiled fondly at Anjanae and said, "Son, you shall be known as Hanuman from now on." It means one with a broken chin. Anjanae kneaded his chin and felt a deep mark there. Brahma also blessed him. "Son, I grant you immunity from all powerful weapons. You shall also be able to assume any guise and fly anywhere at your will, without any hindrance." Indra too came forward to bless Hanuman. He said, "Son, I am really very sorry for hurting you. It was a big mistake. To make it up to you, I want to grant you a boon. You shall die only when you choose to die." Only then did Vayu smile and release the air back into the atmosphere. Everything returned to normalcy. Vayu too blessed his son. With all the boons and blessings, the young and innocent Anjanae thus became super powerful Hanuman. Hanuman gets blessings from gods. The gods tried to appease Vayu after his son Hanuman was struck by Indra's Vajra. Brahma, Vayu and Indra blessed Hanuman. All other gods showered Hanuman with special boons. Surya granted Hanuman sheer brilliance and also blessed him with the knowledge of arts and sciences. Varun, the god of ocean, gave him the boon that he would always be safe from water. Yamdev, the god of death, granted him a boon to lead a healthy life, free from any curse or illness. Kuber, the treasurer of gods, blessed Hanuman that he would always be joyous and cheerful and also satisfied. No objects or weapons can ever harm you. Blessed Vishwakarma, the architect of gods. Shiv, on his part, gifted Hanuman a band, Kavach, that would keep him safe forever. Thus, Hanuman showed many superior qualities, like extreme courage in his childhood. He won over almost everyone and received everyone's blessings.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.